Hey friends, it's me, Amy Rebecca, your internet bestie for all things personal development, intentional living and dream chasing, as well as former overconsumer who is now trying to live more minimally and own less, especially in the makeup, cosmetics, toiletries department, because I went a little overboard. Yeah, I used to have a lot, more than any one human could possibly use, because I only have one face and one body. I don't know what I was thinking. So if you're interested in content about like intentional living, Project Pan type videos, mindful consumption, then this is the place for you, because that is what we like to talk about. Who am I? Where am I? What is happening with this spray tan? These are the big questions of today. As I sit here and film this, and I am pre-filming this video, I got home from the pageant girl finals yesterday. Oof, I'm exhausted. There's just cases everywhere back here, haven't unpacked. Hair extensions strewn across the floor. That is also why I'm coming to you with just completely unstyled hair today, because it took 2 people 2 days to brush all of the back combing out. It was worth it though. I mean, I'm gonna show you a photo. It was some big hair. It was giving Dolly Parton in the best possible way. Anyway, I came first runner up and I'm very proud of myself. I've got a little vlog that I'm going to be putting out about it. I use the word vlog in the loosest possible sense because it was mostly me just like ranting to the camera, what's new, welcome. But that should be going out soon. But yeah, excited, proud, exhausted to my absolute core. Anyway, I am happy to announce that today's meeting of the Trash Appreciation Society is now in session, and we're going to be taking a little look at what is this month? June, a June Project Pan update. So I'm going to pull up my cosmetics inventory spreadsheet because, as we all know, I am a spreadsheet nerd. If you are also a spreadsheet nerd, or if you want to start keeping track of your cosmetics inventory, then I always have this linked down in the description box. You can download it for yourself. We have everything in here, so there's space for like the annual inventory where we've got all of the different products divided up by type. There is a running inventory, so you can compare year on year whether you are using things up or in some cases not so much. Ooh, yikes. There is the use up element where you can keep track of all of the stuff that you use up across the year and the value of it. I always find that really interesting because, again, spreadsheet nerd. There is a 6-month update that I will be doing soon, in a couple of weeks. Keep your eyes peeled, that's coming. And then obviously what we're here for today, which is Project Pan. So like I said, this is linked in the description box. Let's get into these numbers. One thing I am going to say before we delve in is that we have not had a full month between me filming last month's Project Pan and today, because like I said, I am pre-filming this video. I'm going to Italy in a couple of days. Hooray! But yeah, it's been, I think 3 weeks since I filmed the last update. So I'm not expecting like that much progress just because it hasn't been the full month. However, what kind of monster would I be if I didn't film a Project Pan update for you guys before I left? Could never do that to you. So let's kick it off by taking a look at this Physicians Formula eyeshadow first. It is the Eye Brightener eyeshadow. Still making progress on that pan. Still seeing that pan grow at least a little bit more since last time. It is starting to get on my nerves that the pan seems to be traveling in one direction specifically. Like, why isn't it central? I've been trying to even it out and it's just not working. I'm a weirdo. Welcome. It just is what it is. Anyway, in terms of weight, last month I had 4.06 grams of this. This month I have 3.92 grams of this for a change of 0.14 grams, which is pretty decent considering, number one, it hasn't been a full month, and number two, I was away for 4 days for the pageant, and other than the lipstick, I didn't take any of these products with me. So bear that in mind. It's been 3 weeks, but also not really. It's been like 2.5 weeks, if we're honest. Next, we have the NYX Baked Blush in Pinched. It's giving me nothing, I'm just gonna warn you. To me and my eyes, this looks exactly the same as it did before. I was convinced that once we got that little pan in there, that we would start to see some movement month on month. I'm not seeing it. Like, there is change in the weight. We've gone from 14.06 grams last month to 14.01 grams this month for a change of 0.05 grams. So it's not huge, but it is something. Just not necessarily visible to the naked eye, I guess. How does one pan of blush last for so freaking long. Value for money, excellent, and it does make me reflect back on when I was in my overconsumption era and feeling like I needed to go out and keep buying more and more and more makeup. And you think, oh my gosh, actively trying to use this up, it is taking me literally years. So what part of me ever thought I needed like 9 blushes? Don't get me started, it's just madness. Then we have the Wet n Wild highlight in Blossom Glow in its completely destroyed state. Also, this is destroyed too. It's just a theme. I drop a lot of things. We are really getting there with this one. Someone asked me last month, how are you possibly using so much more highlight than you are blush? And I don't know. I just wonder if sometimes I notice that this feels a lot more loosely packed than the blush, so I often have to dab my brush off, and then there's powder everything. Everything in my life is shimmery just the way I like it. But yeah, so I guess that's the only reason I can account for that, because I'm definitely not like using an excessive amount of highlight, but I always notice more of a difference in this than that. I guess partly maybe that's also because we're so into the pan on this and there's so little product left. I don't know. In terms of weight, last month we had 33.3 grams in there, and now we are down to 33.24 grams for a change of 0.09 grams. So again, I've used more product of the highlight than I have of the blush again. And I mean, it doesn't make sense because I am definitely applying more blush than I am highlight. It must be to do with all of the products that's getting just kicked up in the pan as I'm dipping my brush in. That's the only thing I can think of. Next we have the Revolution matte lipstick in Velvet, and I'm pretty pleased with my progress with this throughout the month. Girl, we gotta be ready to call it quits on this soon. Like, I've been using it with a brush, which is working fine, but surely to goodness there cannot be many applications left in that. Before we do the weight, I'm going to show you my little very professional and very scientific, very analytically minded way of recording my lipstick progress, which is that I make little lines in the back of my This Time Next Year life planner. So as you can see, that black line there is from the end of May, and then the little purple line underneath is from June. So we have continued progress. I would say pretty steady progress actually, but when you look at the difference between March and now, it's pretty good, pretty decent. In terms of weight, we have gone from 34.86 grams to 34.8 grams for a change of 0.06 grams. Do you know what? I'll take it. Okay, next let's talk about the Vaseline situation. This pink tinted tin of Vaseline that I am determined to use up. I think it's difficult for you to get the full sense of the depth, but there's definitely progress there. We're definitely, I don't want to say coming towards the bottom of the tin, but I hope so. I hope so soon. I am still using this every single night before I go to bed. Not while I was away at the pageant, because I already had so much luggage with me. I took less when I moved to Kuwait than when I went away for that 4 days for the pageant. And now it's all sitting in the middle of my room. Question to you, and I ask this question all the time. What is worse, packing or unpacking? When I'm packing, I'm like, no, packing is worse. And then when I'm unpacking, I'm like, no, unpacking is worse. I hate both. So stressful. Anyway, back to why we're here. In terms of weight for the Vaseline, we had 25.6 grams last month, and now we are down to 25.07 grams for a change of 0.53 grams. Will I be able to use all of that up between now and the end of the year? Like, we're halfway through the year at this point. Not to panic anyone. Next, we have the Soap & Glory Righteous Butter. I've been slathering this all over me recently because my skin has been so dry in the warmer weather. Hot weather, sunshine, running the fan, all of it just dries out my skin. So I've been really sinking into this one. I think that's like quite a lot of progress considering I think it's only been in the project pan for 2 months, maybe 3. In terms of weight, I had 243.64 grams last month, and now I'm down to 185.79 grams for a change of 57.85 grams, which is pretty good for like, what did we say, like 2.5 weeks of use. This smells so good. It's one of my favorite body lotions. I feel like I want to scoop it up and eat it, but I won't because you can't. You're not allowed to do that. That would not end well. 10 out of 10, do not recommend. Finally, we have my little tube of tretinoin. This is, what is this? My third? Yeah, the third tube I brought into Project Pan this year. It feels light. Feels like it's almost done. Probably another couple of nights worth of use in there if I had to estimate, which I don't know why I bothered doing because I'm always wrong. Anyway, last month I had 19.83 grams of this. I am now down to 16.29 grams for a change of 3.54 grams, but it feels like there's not much left in there. The last thing that we need to talk about is that maybe I'm going crazy. I remember bringing in one of those tiny soaps last month. I feel like it was grapefruit scented, I want to say, out of this Wild Olive Wellbeing soap collection. In my head, I see myself doing it. I see myself picking out the soap. I put it right here on my desk, and at the end of filming, I naturally did not put it in the bathroom where it needed to go. I just walked away and moved on to the next activity because that is how ADHD works. Welcome to my life. And then I lost the soap, lost it. And I'm not talking like, could it be in an obscure drawer in the bathroom, or could it have like slipped down in the bathroom cupboard behind like some tubes or something? It never made it into the bathroom. I put it right here on my desk. It never made the transition to the bathroom. So where did it go? This is gonna be one of those things that probably in 3 months time I'm gonna find like in my handbag or something. I've put it somewhere just absolutely unhinged. I don't know. But didn't get to use that a single time. Can't find it anywhere, so I'm bringing in a replacement. This is the, oh, which one is this? The juniper one. It smells pretty good. And I'm gonna guard this with my life. All it has to do is make it from here to the bathroom. You wouldn't think that would be so difficult. So no additional products used up this month. I think this is actually the first month where I haven't used something up. So overall, that means the project pan has been going very well. That this was not, you know, not as successful of a month. That's okay. It was a shorter month. If you have not subscribed and you're still here, I'm just gonna say it, like, you may as well subscribe. Like, why not? Please remember that you are enough, just as you are. I love you so much, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.